AI avatars, what is that? I'm about to show you today what HeyGen is all about, and be ready to have your mind blown because AI avatars are here and it's pretty scary or useful depending how you think about it. Let me show you how that works. So you're gonna sign up to HeyGen, and then once you're in, you're gonna go over to avatar, you're gonna create new, and there's two different ways of doing this. So you can either upload some photos or either film a video of yourself, and that is the option that I will tell you to do. So digital twin, click on it. So once you've clicked on it, here you'll just click get started and you'll just record the video. Essentially it'll just be a 30-second to 2 minutes video of yourself just talking and moving around, and the more moving around, the more talking, the more expression on your face, the better it is in general for the avatar because it gives it more to work with essentially. So when I was at home, I created one myself the other day, and it's quite unsettling. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna play it for you.
Hey, Leander Farhad, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So that is not my voice. They totally took away my beautiful French accent. I don't know why they did that. Yeah, nah, it's pretty accurate. For the record, I've never filmed this. This is all AI, right? So be prepared because videos like this are gonna surface around. You won't be able to notice. Now on the other side of the coins, that means no more presentations, no more looms. All you have to do is just record a 30-second video of yourself, write your script, or just generate it with ChatGPT, paste it in, and have your videos all done automatically. Listen, that's not what I'm doing now. I'm not an AI clone, by the way. I am very much a real person talking to you right now. This video was just a quick video just to show you a bit the power of HeyGen. There's definitely going to be some more videos regarding HeyGen coming soon, so be on the lookout for sure. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like in the comments, and if you are a business owner that are looking to automate your processes, just reach out to me. I've got my email in the description. It was Leander Fahad of AI. Take care of yourself.